Hello, my name is Julie. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video, I am unboxing a mystery box that I bought off Etsy. This box isn't just another, an Etsy shop box. This comes from Lay's Crochet, who has a YouTube channel. I guess what makes this box a little special, she did a video a while back. I guess she had suffered a loss. She had lost her newborn son. I think he was stillborn. And one of the ways she had coped was that she bought lots of yarn. So the box represents her dealing with a loss of her son. And I guess she's in the process of emptying out her stash. So I'm looking at the postage. I didn't pay that much more, so pretty much I think I paid something about $30-some for this, and it looks like the postage was like $22. So she probably did not make money off this. So I almost want to feel so I guess this is different and it'll feel special. So all right, enough rambling from me. Let us see what Leah had sent. All right, not like using a knitting needle to open a box. All right, not a good idea. This is not opening up. I have a scissors. Okay. Tape this well. Okay. Oh, it's starting. Here we are. Okay. Okay, we can probably wrap this up. Okay. All right, I got the box open. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. Oh, it's our box. Oh, this is from Hobby Lobby because this is Yarn Beam Tender Touch. It is ice blue. And yeah, Tender Touch is soft. Yeah, just remind me, I just not have been to Hobby Lobby. I usually go to Michael's because Michael's is like within a couple minutes drive. Where Hobby Lobby's just a little bit further. I know, I shouldn't complain. I know some of you guys out there drive a long ways to get to a yarn shop. So, okay, that's the ice blue. Let's see if I can find others. It's a 3-ounce ball, and it's 135 yards. So that's that. Really soft. I got some more Chanel in here. And if you have seen a while back, Lay's Crochet had a giveaway that included Chanel, and I won. So now I have some more Chanel to add to that. So this one is light blue. These are 65 yards, 60 meters, 1.76 ounces or 50 grams. Let's see, did I say this was light blue? I got one here that's pink. I have another one here that's pink. And this is a different Chanel. Okay, this one's different. This one's Dream Chanel. It's not quite the same. It's a little bit different. Strawberry. Strawberry is a color. This is 73 yards or 67 meters, 1.76 ounces or 50 grams. That's Dream Chanel. I don't know if I've ever seen this one at Dollar Tree, but I don't go to the Dollar Tree that often for yarn. So, all right. We're here for now. Okay. And this is just cotton. cotton. Be getting that in the video. 87 yards or 80 meters. 1.76 ounces or 50 grams. And put that over there. Oh, another just cotton. This one is white. Does it have more yards? I was wondering if that one, it felt like this had more yards in it. Yeah, this one has 104 yards in it, or 96 meters. 2.1 ounces or 60 grams. So that's that one. You know, I've got quite more yarn here yet. Another one from Yarn B, Urban Chick. It's from Hobby Lobby. That is, the color is mint. And that is, let's see, I'm trying to find, where is my information? There you are, 3.5 ounces or 275 yards. It is, this is a size, doesn't feel like, what size yarn are you? You are, let's see if I can find you. I can't find a weight size for you. Seems like that's a 2 or not even, I wouldn't even go 3. I would say more 2. This is also Urban Chick. Also 3.5 ounces, 275 yards. This color is Golden Grace. The brown, that's a nice color. I don't know if you can see that. Brown and some gold and white and gray in there. Yeah, I think that's the 2 or 3. All right, I have, ooh, man, I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in a while. I forgot about this yarn. I love this yarn. This is super soft. It is Plum Berry. And let's see, it is, let's see if I can find, Color Plum Berry, lot number, where are you, info? Why am I not finding you? All right, oh, there it is. It's a 4-ounce ball, or 114 grams, 196 yards, or 180 meters. And I think I already said the color was Plum Berry. I don't know if you can see, oh, it's got some purple, okay, I didn't. It's got some reds and purples, and yeah, that's very nice. Okay. Oh, ice cream yarn, also from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, you remind me, I haven't been to Hobby Lobby in a while, so this is ice cream by Lion Brand. Oh, it's in my favorite color, purple. 3.5 ounce ball or 100 grams. 394 yards or 360 meters. Yeah, and grape raisin, I think, is the color for this. So I don't know if you can see that. Nice. I think I've used this yarn before. It is very nice. Oh, and my favorite color, purple. All right, I got 3 more left. I never heard of Polar Knit. Polar fleece yarn. I have never, this is new to me. I have no idea. So this is 80 meters or 880, it's 80 meters or 88 yards. And I don't think it has a weight on here. Oh, it's for this, it's like, oh. Okay. It's the dye, okay. Looks like it's worsted mallard. I'm not sure if that's a color. I don't know if you can see that in there. Yeah, this is like fleece yarn. So yeah, this will be new for me. Okay, it is made from Polar Tech Polar Fleece. Okay. All right, running out of room. Okay, I have 2 left. Woohoo, okay. Oh, this is another, let's see, it's the same as one of the first ones. Yarn, this is from Yarn B. the soft standard. I don't know if you see that. I don't know if Femme Leaves is the color. Anyway, it is 3.5 ounces or 200 yards. No, yeah, the color is Femme Leaves. Okay, well, hopefully that you can make that out. That is like a gold color. Okay. Finally. Oh, there's a card. I missed the card. Well, I guess we'll do the card last. I have a cake. It's a latte cake. Karen latte cakes. Let's see if I got the color. It's the Lovely Layers collection. It is 8.8 ounces or 250 grams. 530 yards or 483 meters. See if I can find the color is velvet teal. Yeah, I've had latte cakes before. Actually, I made a dress with the latte cakes. I think I showed that in one of my cruise videos. So yeah, very soft. Okay, and I forgot, I didn't see that. There is a thank you card in here. She just says, thank you for purchasing a mystery box for me. I hope you like the yarn and able to make lots of beautiful things for it. And that is from Lee's Crochet. And I definitely will make some beautiful things with this. And that is a lot of yarn for the money, and I'm pretty sure it was well worth it. So if you get a chance to buy a mystery box from her, I hope you get a chance to do that. I don't know if she currently has any available on her shop or not. So that is it for that unboxing. I want to thank you for watching me on this, and if you did like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.